Hi guys, this is Anshika and I'm back with a new video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you some of my favorite pieces from NewMe. And I also wanted to tell you something, that there is a buy one get one free sale that is gonna go live on NewMe's app on 29th of November, and it will be there till 1st of December. Also, there is this new feature on NewMe's app where you can shoplist maximum of 10 items of your choice, and they'll save those items for you till the sale. So you can easily proceed with the shipping and all on the day of the sale, and you do not even have to worry about them getting sold out. That's a really good feature in my opinion. Also, this video is not at all sponsored by NewMe, although I would love if they can pay me for doing the haul videos and giving all this information to you guys. But anyways, for now it is not sponsored, so you'll be getting my honest reviews about all the pieces that I've got. And there's one more thing that I want to add before starting the video. So if you're an influencer and you are a part of NewMe's Campus Ambassador program, you will not be able to use the Super Wallet amount to shop during the sale. You will have to use real money to pay, and if I'm not wrong, you cannot even return the items that you've bought during the sale. And this is not for the influencers only, this is for everyone. So that's all the information that I wanted to give. Now let's start with the haul video. So I mostly have tops and dresses for today's haul, but let's start with the tops. And this is the first top that I've got. It is a grey off-shoulder top. The color is very different from a usual shade of grey, but it looks very pretty, and this pattern is really trending right now. However, the only thing that I don't like about this top is this is not very comfortable and you will have to adjust it constantly. But if you want it just for the vibes and pictures, then this is a very nice top in this price, and you can actually go for it. The next top is my favorite, and it is this corset bustier top in this off-white color. Now this top is 10 on 10 in every aspect, and I love the fit of this one. And all the tops that I'm going to show you today are going out tops, so you can style them in so many different ways. And let me know if you want me to post more videos of me styling these tops. And this top can be styled in so many different ways. I honestly cannot wait to style it with a trench coat. The next top is a black puff sleeves top with a sweetheart neck, and this is also one of my favorites. It's a perfect top to be worn when you're feeling like dressing up but you don't want to put much efforts, if that makes any sense. The material of this top is so good and the fit is also amazing. If you have a body type like mine, this will look so good on you. The next top is a pink full sleeve top, and I love everything about this top except for the fact that it's too short. So if you have something really high waisted, that would be perfect to style with this. Other than that, the overall fit and the material of this top is great. Honestly, I'm not comfortable with very short tops, but if you're someone who is comfortable with this length, you can go for this top. This is a very pretty one. The next one is again a sweetheart neck corset top, and this one again can be styled in so many different ways, and if you're comfortable you can wear it as it is with a jeans, and it looks so stylish without even putting in much effort. The material of this top is amazing and it's not that expensive as well, so it is a perfect staple piece in your wardrobe. The last top for today is a black high neck drape top, and honestly I don't like the fit on me that much, but if it suits your body type, you can go for it. The material and the price is worth it. And if you want links of any of the items, you can check the description box. You will get all the links there. Moving on, we have a sweater that I'm wearing right now. It is a black and white striped sweater, and this looks so good on me, and this also goes very well with everything. If you want an oversized look, go for a larger size. I'm in the size S in this one, but I wish I had gone for a medium or a large. Next up, we have a bow dress, and it is an off-shoulder dress with a bow detailing in the front. And this is a mini dress, perfect to style with a trench coat and long boots. This is such a pretty dress, and I'll be recreating some Pinterest looks really soon, so stay tuned for that, and let me know if I should post a long form video recreating all the Pinterest looks. Moving on to the next dress, we have a white puff sleeve mini dress, and this dress has a corset detailing on the waist area to accentuate the waist, and I've already shown this dress in my previous videos. Again, I love this dress so much, and honestly I cannot pick my favorite. The last item for today's haul is a black bodycon dress with a slit, and this dress is so flattering. I've got so many compliments for this one, and I personally love it too. If you have a body type like mine, this will look so good on you, and you should definitely go for this one. It will make you look so put together, and overall it's a very pretty dress. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, also subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.